Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon, Alibaba, Temu or AliExpress. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in this video. This is a beautiful doormat. We've got this foam you can use for cleaning your sneakers. We've got these racks you can use for hanging your stuff, small items in the kitchen. We've got this folding iron. We've got these items you can use for hanging your stuff in the bathroom. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. And put this shoes dryer, and we've got this tool you can use for brushing off your clothes. We've got these mats you can use in the kitchen. This is a small rack you can use for your sandals. We've got this one you can use for toothbrushes. We've got this small cleaner you can use for your bed. This is another folding mop you can use for the floor. We've got this bucket. It's a folding bucket you can use for mopping, and we've got this brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. This is a box you can use for your toilet paper. We've got this small grinder you can use for meat. This is another apartment. We'll see the products we've got in this apartment. This is a small trash bin. We've got this air freshener, and we've got this holder you can use for your stuff. You can use it for your slippers. You can also use it for hanging your clothes. And we've got this closet you can use for organizing shoes. We've got this small dishwasher. We've got this tool you can use for making popcorn. We've got this rice cooker, and we've got this dispenser you can use for storing cereals. This is blender. We've got this wallet you can use for your groceries. And we've got this this is another small iron you can use for ironing your clothes. This is a rack you can use for organizing you can use for plastic foil. We've got this tool you can use for compressing plastic bags, and we've got this electric tub you can use for massage. You can use it for having massage, and we've got this electric tool you can use for your feet. We've got this foam again you can use for cleaning your maybe ink on walls.